Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone, welcome to Towheed vlog. In today's video we are going to unbox DJI wireless mic. I got this one from Amazon. The price for this one is £289. You can order directly to DJI as well, it's up to you. The delivery process with the DJI is take at least 2 weeks, so I decided to order on Amazon. It's only take 2 days to arrive the product to your doorstep. So less further ado, we open up this box, take a look to the product, and we're going to review this. So we're going to open this box first. So this is the actual product here. So this is a DJI wireless mic, and you can see on the back I have some information regarding this product. So this one have 250 meter transmission range, and it is dual channel recording. You can use both mics same time to record your audio, and have up to 14-hour onboard memory as well. It means you can record your audio into the mic, and you can copy later on the audio file, and you can edit with your video later on. This one have a portable and compact design, wide capability, 15 hour of battery life. As you can see on back of the box says made for iPhone. There's numbers of iPhone models mentioned in the back of the box. You can use this mic with. So less further ado, we're going to open this. There's a V notch in here, V green notch. You can open up. First we are going to take the cellophane off with a knife. Going to take the cellophane off. So you can open like this, and they have some information inside the box as well. You will get one charging case, one receiver, 2 transmitter, 1 carrying pouch, hot shoe adapter, 2 windscreen, and 1 mobile phone adapter with a lightning cable, and one with a USB-C connector. You will get camera, audio cable 3.5 mm, jack 1, instruction manual, and a clip magnet, and charging cable. So first of all, we'll put this one on the side. We'll see first of all what's in this box. Nice and strong bag. They have some instruction and user manual inside. Put that on the side. Inside the pouch there is a 1 3 mm to 3 mm jack cable for your connecting to your camera, and 1 charging cable, and 2 wind muffin in there, and there's a V compartment. You can separately put stuff inside the bag, and it's a V nice pouch. So this one is actual mic system. So nice presentation with the boxing. So we are going to take the cellophane off again from here. Put that on the side. So this is actual DJI wireless microphone kit with the charging case. You can charge this case via USB-C cable, which is located on the back. As soon as you open the case, you will see 2 microphone, one receiver, and 2 phone connector, one for iPhone, one for Android, for USB-C connector and the lightning connector. So there's a microphone 1, there's a microphone 2, and there's a receiver here, and USB-C connector, lightning connector for an iPhone, and that's a charging case. So charging case have their own separate battery, so and the mic and the receivers have their own separate battery. So at the moment that shows the microphone left and the right on the receiver, but you can change in the setting. If you swipe the screen down, you can use stereo left and right. I can use as a stereo. I have to swipe up again, and if you swipe to the left, you can see more option: receiver gain, volume level, transmitter setting, and the setting you can adjust the brightness of the screen. You can choose a different language. You can set a date, and either you can practically set this receiver bit. So if you swipe up again twice, so you can back to the same screen. As you can see, both mic are connected there, and you're receiving the signal in here. It says signal 1 and signal 2, and the mics are already connected with that. On the receiver bit on the right side, there's a power button and the charging USB charging connector here. If you press the power button if you click one time, it will lock the screen, and I will lock the screen just in case. For example, if you accidentally touch the screen, it will not change the setting because it will show you press the button to unlock. So if you have to change the setting, you have to click one time. I accidentally turn off this one because I pressed it twice. I have to press it again for a few seconds to turn back on. On the other side of this receiver, you will see one output for the audio going to your camera via 3.5 mm jack, and one for your headphone. So one for headphone, you can check the audio level via your headphone, and there's a connector bit in there to charge the receiver while sitting in the charging case. And this shoes is being attached in here. You can use with your camera, or you can remove this one, and you can put your other charge connector here, and you can use with the iPhone or Samsung or any Android phone which have the USB-C connector. So I'm going to demonstrate this one connecting with my Sony ZV-10 vlogging camera. So here is my Sony ZV-10 camera. I'm going to mount this one on top of the mounting clip in here. So I have connected this one here. You can use either way. You can change the screen or facing to you, or you can use this way. If anybody behind the camera, they can see the level of the audio receiving in from the microphones. So let me turn on the camera. So I have to connect 3.5 mm cable connector from receiver to camera to receive the signal. So I'm going to use the same cable being provided in the box. I will use this one here, connecting to the camera. So now our both mic are connected with my camera, so I can record audio from the DJI mic to my camera. So as you can see, the both audio level shows in here, channel 1 and channel 2. So the reason of buying this wireless DJI setup for my vlogging camera, because this DJI wireless mic have a capability of storing the audio file inside the microphone. Each microphone bit have 8 GB of memory inside the microphone kit. So you can record your audio just pressing this button on the side. That says in here record. When you press this button, and you will see the red blinking light, it means the audio going to record inside the receiver as going to the camera as well same time. so you can save the clip inside the microphone and to the camera same time. So there are going to be two clips separate, so you can adjust the, if you are not happy with the sound quality inside receiving inside the camera, you can always copy this. So you can copy this audio file from the DJI wireless mic, connecting this one with your MacBook or computer PC. So you can, while you are edit the video, you can use the same clip inside the microphone to your camera, so you don't have to be worried losing the audio while you are away from the receiver. So as you can see on the receiver, there's also shows one of the mic is recording the audio inside the microphone as well same time. So that's quite handy. It's quite, so guys, I bought this DJI wireless microphone kit to use with my vlogging video kit with the ZV-E10 Sony vlogging camera, and also time to time with Samsung S22 Ultra while I'm recording the vlogging videos. So I hope you enjoy this unboxing and reviewing video, and please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel Towheed Vlog for more upcoming unboxing video as well. This one have a wide capability. I can use with my phone or either with a camera anytime, anywhere, and also I can record inside the microphone. So previously I've been using cheap wireless mic to connect with my phone, which is having some bad audio quality. So this one sometime even is attaching with my t-shirt, the mic audio level goes up and down by itself. So this one is a cheap, I bought from AliExpress for £29, which is not very good quality. So that's why I decided to upgrade to better quality audio microphones. So I did bought DJI, and I'm very happy with my purchase so far, and I will record my upcoming vlogging video with this DJI wireless mic, even I'm using this phone or ZV-E10 video camera for my vlog. So please thumbs up and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like this video, please leave a comments in the comment section. Fearless.